Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy channel. Today we are going to learn about conditional formatting, highlighting blank cells in data. Let's begin. This is the data which I prepared it for you. There will be two methods which we will use, method 1 dynamic and method 2 manual selection of the data. This is my data. You can see here everywhere, wherever the blank cell is there, it is highlighting blue color. You can choose any one. Now first of all, I am going to remove this formatting. I will go to the conditional formatting, manage rule, and this worksheet selection, delete rule. Okay. Now you can find the other color. This one I find it manually. How to do this one? I will tell you. This one, go to special, blank. Okay. Just select the data first, which will be this one. Go to find, go to special, blanks, this option, and no fill. There is no filling now. We will see that one further. So just highlight your data wherever. Just I am going to Control Shift down arrow. I am going to select my data. Okay. Now the important step which you need to find out, go to conditional, new rule, and you will be here in this. You can find it here, the second option, format only cell that contains. After that, just come down in this value area, click on here and just find blanks. Okay. Give the format to it. I selected green color. Okay. And okay. Now you can see wherever my data is there, it is blank cell is there, information is highlighting, and even if I will delete any of the information, it will be blank. You can see it. It is blank now and highlighted in different color. You can see it. This one. Now we will go to the manual selection, that how to do that one manually. Manual will not be dynamic. Okay. You should have to go through the same process, select all data, and first of all I will remove this formatting from here. I am going to find this blank and no fill. Okay. Now I am going to again selecting my data. I selected all my data here. I will take it up. Okay. And very easy option, just go to find and go to special. You can select here from find and select, go to special, and one pop-up will open in front of you, this one. And here there is another option, blanks. Just select the blanks. When you will select, you will see this one, the gray colors. Okay. Just come here and select any color which you want to highlight. Okay. Now I highlighted this one, and see it is not dynamic. Whatever, if I am entering data, even though it will not change. You have to do it manually. See, you have to change it manually. So better to use the dynamic method, which is more convenient for you, and the dynamic method only increase the file size, nothing more than that. So this is the method for finding the blank cell information. How to do this one, I told you two methods. Thank you very much.